Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, I got a super special Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. So you know the drill. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're really enjoying my channel, as well as if you love luxury fashion or really just a Louis Vuitton fan in general, you're definitely going to love it here. So definitely hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the item that I'm going to be unboxing for you today comes into this little box right here, and as some of you might be able to tell, it is going to be an SLG. So a little bit of backstory, this item did come out on June 26th, and I was actually offered this collection when it had originally been offered to the public, but I had turned it down just because I wasn't sure about how I would feel about it. And then I started watching YouTube videos about these items and all the people that are unboxing them at the time, and I just was like obsessed with it. I just wanted to get something from this collection. So I reached out to my sales associate, and he had told me that the entire collection is completely sold out. There's no way to order any more items. Whatever was made on the initial launch was what was going to happen, but I could definitely check out on the second wave that happened. So when I had reached out to him in August, he had said that only the second wave was only going to be a lot of ready-to-wears, and they weren't going to be producing a lot of SLGs. So I had completely missed my chance to get any of these items. And so I had found a luxury group on Facebook, and one of the sellers on there was selling this organizer. And so I immediately jumped at the chance. So I did pay a little bit above retail for this item. It did retail for 505 Canadian dollars, and I did pay 700 Canadian dollars for this item. So I did have to pay a little bit extra just because it wasn't going to be made anymore. So this item definitely skyrocketed up in price. But I do want to say that this item does retail, or does sell for on like Kijiji and eBay for a lot more. People are asking for like thousands of dollars for it, so I did get it for a fairly good price after the fact, so I'm completely happy about that. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is the drawer box that it came with. As per usual, it does come with a Louis Vuitton dust bag, and inside the dust bag, kind of gave a little bit of a hint away, but whatever. Inside is the, it's stuck. This is the Louis Vuitton by Nigo Pocket organizer. I am so obsessed with this organizer, it is not even funny. I love how the pocket organizer has like the giant damier, a bean print on it. And at first I didn't think I would like this having the LV made duck on there, but that is one of Nigo's signature pieces, so I definitely wanted to get something with his signature item on there. And then this organizer just grew on me as I was watching YouTube videos, like I mentioned, and people unboxing them. It looked a lot better in person over video than it did on the Louis Vuitton website. So I'm super happy that I was finally able to get this item, and the person that I purchased it off of did not use it at all. It is completely brand new. And so opening it up, it came with the tags, and it came with a little card here to prevent the creasing at the top. And this item was made in Spain, and it is just in an immaculate condition. I'm definitely keeping this. This is my very first unicorn piece from Louis Vuitton. I don't have any limited edition pieces. I usually tend to just get signature pieces, or just pieces that are constantly always on the website and doesn't get discontinued as quickly. So I'm really happy that I'm finally able to get my very first unicorn, or limited edition piece, as some of you might know it by. So yeah, I am super happy about this. This is similar to my damier graphite pocket organizer in a sense that it has the 3 credit card slots here, and then 1 slot on the bottom over here. And then similar to the multiple wallet, it has like the X card slot system here as well. And then in the back, you do get 1 card slot where you can put your more predominant card in, but I'm not 100% sure yet if I'm going to be using this piece, just because I don't want to use this piece and then the silk screen where the duck is gets rubbed off eventually over time. And I really just want to keep this in immaculate condition, just because it is a limited edition piece. You're never going to be able to find something like this ever again unless you pay astronomical prices in a couple years from now. So I'm definitely super happy that I was able to add this into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, do you own any unicorn pieces? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.